Hey, what's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here at the happiest place on earth. That's right, we're at Disneyland celebrating my wife's birthday. Where's she going? Hold on. Celebrating my wife's birthday. So everybody throw her a happy birthday down in the comment section below. My beautiful wife right there. She deserves it. But we are here at Disneyland. It has been years since we've been here. So there's a lot here that we haven't got to see in a long time, and a lot that we haven't experienced before. Like this right here. This is our very first time to, what is it called? What's this place called? Galaxy Edge? Yeah. Galaxy Edge? I don't know, the Star Wars land right here. But look at how cool this looks. Anyway, so today I'm going to be vlogging on the Google Pixel 7 Pro to really test out the cameras when it comes to overall video. You know, we're going to have light movement, heavy movement, good lighting, bad lighting, and I think this is the perfect way to test out cameras when it comes to video. So we're going to be enjoying our time here at Disneyland and bringing you all along with us. And yeah, y'all can just say what's up down in the comment section below. But let's go ahead and check out this Star Wars land back here. I can't wait. So we're getting on the first ride, the Millennium Falcon. Look at this. Awesome right here. For those of you that don't know, we are Star Wars fans. I'm not even sure if you can hear me because I think speakers are all out right there. That looks cool. Alright, so we made our way into the ride. They just have us waiting and exploring. I guess you would call this the lobby? What would you call this? I don't know, but we're on Team Blue. That's what they told us. Look at this! Just like the movie! This is so cool. So cool. I don't even know what to expect from the ride. Alright, so we're in the ride right now. Myself and my wife are the pilots. I've never done this before. Let's see what happens. I'm a pilot! I'm a pilot!
Pilot on the right. Roll back on the stick to fly out. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, hey? Weapons are online.
Can we go up or down?
Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Whoa, man. Woo! All right, so that was freaking awesome. I had a lot of fun. Both me and my wife were the pilots. Never experienced anything like that before. If you've never been to Disneyland and you're visiting for the first time, you definitely got to check out the Millennium Falcon. But we're going to explore the rest of this place right here. Look how freaking awesome this is. Alright, so I think that's enough Star Wars for now. We're over here eating some snacks. We got some pretzels with nacho cheese. I got a jalapeno cheese-filled pretzel right here, which is actually pretty good. But yeah, we're just taking a little break. This is actually the ride we're going to be getting on next. Probably shouldn't talk with food in my mouth. Alright, there we go. But I do want to take this moment to give a big thanks and shout out to dbrand for sponsoring this video, because this trip kind of wouldn't be possible without them. If you're not really sure who dbrand is, what the heck are you doing? If you've been following the channel for a while, woo, look, here it comes, here it comes. That's what we're gonna get on next. But if you've been following the channel for a while, then you should know who dbrand is. They make skins, and they make a very protective case called the Grip Case, which is the case that I'm using right now, and I use all the time. But if you're someone who really doesn't like using cases, but you want to add, you know, style to your device, maybe steel protected from scratches, they offer tons of skins to choose from to be able to style up the back of your phone, not only for the Google Pixel 7 Pro, but also for Samsung devices, iPhone devices, even laptops. They have tons to choose from. And then if you are someone who does like to use a case and add protection to your device, then that's where the Grip Case comes in. I've done drop tests with this case and the phones always hold up well. That's why I'm using one right now, especially for rides like this. I'm gonna I'm probably going to be recording some of the ride right here, and this grip case is going to help me keep this phone nice and secure in my hand so it doesn't drop. Hopefully it won't drop. I can be kind of clumsy sometimes, even with this case. But yeah, if you want to check out that grip case for yourself, I'll have a link down in the description below. There it goes again. There it goes again. But if you want to check out some skins or that grip case for yourself, I have a link down in the description below. Another cool thing about the case is that you can be able to switch up the skins in the back as well. You don't have to continue buying new cases to change up the look or case of your phone. You can use the same exact case, just switch up the skin, and it'll change the look of it in the back. So it's providing great grip, great protection, and some good style in back of your phone. Again, huge thanks and shout out to dbrand for sponsoring this video. All right, here we go. Let's hope I don't drop my phone. All right, here we go. Here we go. See y'all later. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, I think this is a big drop. Oh my God! Whoa! Here we go. I think this is a big one. Let's try not to drop my phone here. Oh, that's it. There we go. Oh man, I thought that was gonna be a big drop. And looks like the ride is coming to an end. Ooh. And what do you know? I didn't drop my phone. That was fun, right, baby? So my wife's currently on the hunt for some Mickey Mouse ears because we forgot to pick some up when we first walked in, and we got to get her a birthday pin as well, but I think she found the ones. Maybe not, I don't know. She's still looking. Look at all these freaking Mickey Mouse ears that they got to choose from. A whole wall full. And the whole store is just packed as well. Look at that. Tons of people coming in here to shop. Oh, I don't know. She may have found some other ones. What you got there? All right, we found a winner. She found the ears she wants. Let's see, pose it, pose it. Oh wait, they haven't seen my shirt. Show my shirt. Oh. Check out my shirt. This is my Disney shirt. So my wife actually found this shirt for me online. When we had to get it, she already knew this is just me right here. This is my Disney shirt. This is definitely something that I would wear. So I thought it was pretty cool when she showed me this. I'm like, yeah, we gotta get it. But we're out here on Main Street. Unfortunately, they didn't have the birthday pin to let everybody know it's her birthday, but her shirt does say birthday girl on it. She's got her ears, so we're gonna go a couple other shops, see if we can find a birthday pin, and then we're just gonna keep enjoying our day here. Oh my God, so we got, so look at this, look at This was my wife's idea. Her ears, we almost lost her ears too. They flew up, she had to catch them. And I kind of helped her catch them from behind, but my God, we got soaked and there was no way I was gonna record that very last drop, which is the big drop, because we were already soaked as it is. And honestly, I was kind of scared of the phone flying out of my hand the way her ears flew off her head. But whew, it's definitely a rush, but having a good time. Oh my God. So my wife and I have been having a great time so far. If you ever come to Disneyland, turkey legs are a must. We both got one because she's like, you want to share? I'm like, nah, I need on my own. As you can see, look at, check out my cool hoodie right here as well. Had to put the hoodie on, it's getting a bit chilly out here, especially because my pants are still a little wet, so I'm still a little cold, but so far it's been great. We're actually on our way right now to the Haunted Mansion. I keep getting it wrong. I keep thinking we're going to Indiana Jones, but headed to the Haunted Mansion. Probably get on about maybe 2 more rides after that. Then we want to try to catch the parade and the fireworks. Can't wait for that fireworks show. That is also a must coming to Disneyland. You can't miss that. So we made it to the mansion and check out how cool this looks. So you can tell that they're getting ready for Christmas. Sorry, I'm pointing with my turkey leg, but they're getting ready for Christmas, but they still got some Halloween stuff up as well. So they're in the process of, you know, taking down the Halloween stuff and replacing it with the Christmas stuff. But so far, this setup looks cool. We're gonna finish our turkey leg right here and then hop on the ride. So we're gonna finish enjoying this right here. All right, here we go. We made it. The Haunted Mansion. Oh, I need to take my backpack off. Oh, look at that. Look at all the bones. Oh! TikTok. Ooh, the floating head. And ornaments too. Looks like everything's floating.
That love and romance me. On the 13th day of Christmas, my good love gave to me.
Look at the ghost. Oh, I don't know if you can see the ghost on camera. Oh yeah, you could. They're over there. Dang, look at that. I don't remember this last time. I know the last Christmas one didn't look like this. Oh, that is cool. That is really cool. Look at that. Did the ride just stop on us?
Yeah.
I think the ride just stopped on us. We still got the ghost dancing down there. Alright, we're back. The ride started up again. Look at this scary guy right here. Oh, his face just.
Season's greetings, everyone!
Later. Oh, we're gonna see something here? Isn't there supposed to be ghosts? Oh yeah, there's a ghost on our face. Look. We're done. Woo! Oh, there's 2. Woo! All right, so that was definitely cool. I remember the last time that we came and got on that ride, it was a little bit different than that. I don't remember a lot of that stuff that they had going on there, you know, when it comes to the whole Christmas thing, but I thought it was pretty cool. She enjoyed it as well. But we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because we want to enjoy the rest of our night without having to worry about pulling out the camera to record, you know, every single chance we get. Of course, we're still gonna record our little memories here and there and take our pictures that we have to, but we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. It's been a long day. we just kind of want to relax and enjoy the rest of this day. But thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Again, huge happy birthday to my, well, happy early birthday to my beautiful wife right here, who I love so much. We'll see you all on the next one. Peace out.